everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I have partnered with Bionatal black seed oil, and I'm excited to share with you the benefits of this oil and how I have been using it for my hair, for my body. And the best thing that I like about this oil is they are manufactured in the United States of America, and also these oils are derived from Ethiopian black seeds. Now there are different black seeds out there, and black seeds are known as Nigella sativa, and these black seeds, they are known for their levels of thymoquinone. Now the level of thymoquinone in the Bionatal oil is about 3.56, which is one of the highest in the world. These oils from Bionatal, they are non-filtered compared to other oils that are filtered. Now you get what you pay for. So if you buy low quality black seed oil, it will not work as well as high quality black seed oil. Now Bionatal oils are high quality black seed oil because Ethiopian black seeds are the most nutritious in the world and the most nourishing in the world. Now the black seed oils that are made by Bionatal, they are handmade. Okay, they don't have any filters, any other stuff in them. Black seed oil has a lot of benefits. I'm going to list some of the benefits on the screen, but the benefits surpasses what I show right now. There are different ways you can use black seed oil, but I'm going to tell you the best way of using black seed oil. When I use my black seed oil, I love taking it after a meal. Bionatal black seed oil has a lot of benefits. It's a strong black seed oil, and it is best to take this black seed oil after you eat your food. So enjoy that meal, get filled up with it, and then I usually take a teaspoon of this after my meal. I like taking it around lunchtime, or you can take it in breakfast, after breakfast. And after I take it, the taste of it, people always say, what does black seed oil taste like? Black seed oil, to me, I actually like the taste. It has a very unique taste, I should say. So if you don't like it just raw like me, you can always add it to your salads, you can add it to your baked goods, you can add it to your soups, to your smoothie, to your yogurt, almost anything you want to. The key thing is you are getting it into your body the best way you can. Now that is the best way of using black seed oil. Liquid black seed oil works the best, and I like that Bionatal black seed oil comes in this dark bottle, and also they have a label of when it expires so that you know that you are not using expired product. Another way that I love taking this oil or using this oil is on my scalp. Now, you know, you all have dandruff, you have issues with your scalp, your hair is not growing. What you can do is that you can take this oil, you can put on your scalp and massage your scalp with it. You can also use it for a pre-shampoo process where you lather it on through your hair strands, let it sit there for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then rinse off. The benefits of this can also be seen in your skin. So if you suffer from acne, from different skin conditions, you can also apply to your skin. I love this oil. I love stronger oils. I love that this oil comes from valued seeds that are nourishing, and no cheap seeds right here. So if you want to try this black seed oil from Bionatal oils, now you want to use that coupon code. It doesn't expire, so use the coupon code that you see on the screen right now. Go to bionatal.co. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Bye.